Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today is 9th of January 2026 as you see. So today very special for you all guys because in this video I'm going to teach you 100 Linux command with practical example. So without wasting the time, let's start. So this is Ubuntu server and I am going to teach you the commands. So first, what command you want to learn? So first thing is that check the system configuration. So if we first, whenever we have started a server, let me show what we have to do. First we have to update the server. So sudo apt update, just update it. Actually I already have done, because of that it is showing. Now one more time, let's update and upgrade. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. So everything is done. Now let's check the CPU detail. So that is lscpu command is lscpu. So it will show you the CPU information, that what is the CPU. See, 32 byte 64, everything you will get here. CPU family 1, everything, every information you will get. Now if I want to check the host name, then how I will check? host, 1 minute, control L to clear the screen, or you can write clear also. Let me maximize it, yeah, so that you can see. Now if you want to check the host name, then just write the command host name, sorry, you will get the host name. Now if you want to check how many RAM is there, RAM, so you can type free free hyphen m. So you will get mam used, how many free RAM is there, all information you will get, how many it is using, total it's 957, 405 is in used, 103 it is in free, swap value, everything you can see. Now to check number of hard disk, how can we check? So for that command is fdisk hyphen l. So it will show you the number of hard disk. See, 1 2 3 4. So it is showing the number of hard disk. This is not in order, you can make it in order. See, 8 GB, this one is 50 MIB 27, so it is showing hard disk. Now if someone is want to check the network, then if config, sorry, ip config, okay. But this command, it's not like this command is wrong. This command will work in RHEL and CentOS. Now again control L. If we want to check the where we are currently, present working directly, the command is pwd. Currently we are in home Ubuntu. So in this way you can see the present working directory. If we want to check the host name, then host name hyphen I. So it is showing the IP address. If we want to list the content, then ls or ls hyphen lrt or ls, yeah. Now if we want to check the current user information, that who is the user currently, then how can we check? That the command is who am I. So currently we are in a root user. Okay. Or next, if you want to check the current date of the calendar, then what command you can use? If you will simply write date, it will show you that today is Friday, January 9, time it is showing, and UTC, this is UTC time in 2026 year it is showing. But if we want to display calendar of just current month, then how can you just write cal? I think this is also will work on that. RHEL. Okay, so this is Ubuntu. Okay, so we can cal y. No, calculator. Okay, leave it. We just we can write the date command. Now to check the system full information, then how can you check? Uname hyphen a. So it is showing the system full information. Uname hyphen a. It is Linux, Ubuntu, SMAP, Tuesday 20. Every information you will get from here with the command uname hyphen a. If we want to know the, and like it is especially showing kernel and operating system, but if you want to know the kernel release, then with the same command remove a and keep r, you will get the information of kernel, like it is AWS and everything. Now if you want to check the version, then how can we check? That we can go cat etc star, one second, release. So here you will see the version. See, distributed ID Ubuntu, distributed release, this distributed, every information you will get with the command cat /etc/ star release. Okay, and if we want to take any help in Ubuntu, or how can we take help? H hyphen HELP. Okay, for example man, so MAAN hyphen HELP. So it will show you with the help of man command. Man means for any command how can we take help. Now to, if you want to check the disk usage, 1 minute. Yes, so what we are discussing about, we are discussing about that if we want to check the disk usage, then what is the command? Du is the command. You can see the disk usage. And if we want to second command is du hyphen sh, so it will show the total disk usage. Now with the help of df command, if you are just writing df, it will show you to, it will use to check free space, how many free space is there. And if we want to get host name with full detail, the command is host name ctl. Okay, it is showing host name with full detail. And one more thing, if we want to change the host name itself, then is it possible to change the host name itself? Yes, the answer is yes, it's completely possible to change the host name. Now I will show you how we can change the host name itself. So write the command host name, okay, ctl, host name ctl, set hyphen host name space name. What name you want to set? That I am setting Varsha. Okay, to change. Now just enter. And now just run host name. Now previously what was the host name? Something IP, something was showing. Now I have changed, and what is the host name? You people can see Varsha. So with the help of command hostname ctl set hyphen hostname, and whatever the name you want to give, you can give, and in this way you can change your host name also. So this command is very interesting. Okay, now if we have to shut down, then how we can do? So there are three command: halt, power off. So the simple one is init 0. Just type. No, I think it is not for Ubuntu. Let me check. Init 6. Yeah, actually this command, see, init 6. So this system will reboot now. So if you want to reboot it, then you just write init 6. So it will reboot your system. Okay. But if we want to shut down, then what command? Init space 0. It should have to work, but it is not working. Leave it. For reboot, for if you want to reboot the system, then that is the command init 6. Okay. Actually that has been done. So hostname, laptop it is showing. Why it is showing? Because here when I run this command init 6, what it did, it rebooted my system. Okay. So if you will run history command, it will not show anything, because it is now in our local laptop, not in the Linux. Now the question is that reboot, if we again have to restart. Now just 1 second. So it got restart. So now again we have to connect to work on it. Okay, because now it is in out, it is not connected. Now yes, it's connected. So again we have to do apt update -y. Okay. One second. Okay, see, I will tell you one important thing. First we have to go to root user. Now apt update -y. So let's update it, and let's go for a quick recap that what we have done. ls cpu, okay, other than host name, free -m, f disk -l, and I that pwd we have run, host name -i have run, ls -lrt, who mi we have used, date we have used, uname -a we have used, uname -r we have used. So host name ctl we have used, and we have changed the host name also. Now, and how to reboot, restart, that all I have shown you. Now if we want to see the history, whatever the command we have used, what we will use? History command. So it will show all the command whatever we have used. Okay, but if we want to see only last 12 commands, so we can write history hyphen 12, so it will show only last 12, last 10, whatever we want to do you can do. And if we want to delete the command, that also we can delete, but that I will show it last, not now. Now if we want to, one second, nm lus, okay, flip top. With the help of top command we can see the process which is running. What process? CPU and memory usage you can see with the help and if we have to come out of this process, then you just have to run control C, you can come out of that. If we have to kill the process, kill, then kill hyphen 9. And if you want to run any, then that PID ID you just have to write, and you can kill the process. Okay, but as of now we don't have any, and that process ID, then we can kill, but as of now we don't want to kill anything. And see, I showed you sudo su. With the help of sudo su we can come to the super user or root user. So if this hash is you can see it means you are in root user, but in the place of hash, if we are seeing, 1 minute I will show you. See, here it is in root user, but if you will see in the place of root user, if you will see just dollar symbol, means you are in normal user. Okay, if we want to know that from how longer this server is started, you just run uptime. It will show from last how many hours or how many minutes this server is up. Okay, so it is showing, and that is, it is showing in USD. See, 6:29 up 7 minutes, because just now we have restarted the server, so that time only it is showing one user. Okay, so every information, if you want to know that any server from how long it is running, you can see with the help of uptime command. If you want to clear the screen, that I already told you, control L or clear command we can use. Okay, now if we want to check the check out all connected storage and partition, then we can use partition, then df-h. Okay, so here we can see in file system, in dev root, how many size is there, all the files, how many it is it is partition, so that we can see with the help of df-h command. And if we want to check all connected storage and partition, then we can just run ping IP. Something is wrong, leave it. And for example, let me download something, apt install git -y. Okay, so it's done. Now if we list it, ls-lrt, it is showing nothing, but if just write ls-al, it will show the hidden files which started with dot. So it will show with the hidden files with the command. What is the command? ls-al. Okay, one thing is done. Now this thing is done, and total 38 to 38 command we have learned as of now. So let's move to the file and directory command. So if we want to make a directory or folder, how can we make it? With the help of command mkdir. For example, I have written Varsha Singh. Okay, and you just list it ls with the help of command ls, so you can just see the folder ls Varsha Singh. 1 minute. So yeah, sorry for the delay. So we have just now created one folder. 1 second. Let me do the setup. Something missed. Yeah. So we have created the folder. If you want to create another folder, you can also do. Now the folder is created, but currently where are you? So with the help of what command we can see? pwd. So currently we are in Ubuntu. Now I have created the folder Varsha Singh. I want to go inside Varsha Singh. How can I go? With the help of cd. Cd means change directory. Just write V and tab button. It will come Varsha Singh and enter. So now where we are? I am in inside Varsha Singh. So, and for example, if you want to create multiple directory, then how can we create? So mkdir directory 1, dir 2, dir 3, dir 4 and enter. And now ls. So inside Varsha Singh, how many directory I have created? 1, 2, 3, 4 directory I have created. Okay. Now we are inside Varsha Singh. Okay, now I want to go back to the root user again with Ubuntu. Then how can I go? Just cd/enter. And now, so I am in the root. But if I have to come out, just come cd. So I am in root user. Okay. And if you will write that cd and this, you will come in root level. So now we are in root user, and if we want to come back, then you just run the command exit, exit. But as of now I will not hit, but if you will hit, it will come to the normal user. Okay, now let's move to the another commands. See guys, I just want to go inside Varsha, where I am, pwd ls. Okay, pwd ls hyphen lrt. Okay. Okay, now I just want to go again home. Okay, so write /home. Where are we? Are home. cd/home and then Ubuntu. Why? Okay, I want to go inside Varsha Singh. Let's copy it. Paste it. Before this, one slash is required. Yeah. Oh God. So means remove this. Yeah. So now where we are? We are here. Now if I want to go one step back, I just now currently I am inside Varsha Singh, and if I want to go Ubuntu, that what command I will use? cd space dot dot. Now check the present directory. I am in Ubuntu. So if you want to go one step back, then cd dot dot. Now go to the Varsha Singh and ls inside directory 1. Go to the directory 1. So cd dir 1. And here if you want to create a file, what is the, see, no file is there, ls-lrt, nothing is there. If we want to create a file, how can we create? So touch touch file 1, and now one file is created. Okay, Now if we want to create to see the file content, so first we can go inside and we can do some changes. We can write anything. Hello Varsha, or hello Varsha, welcome to study with Varsha. Anything you can write, okay? And just press Ctrl D. Okay, Ctrl D, done. Wait for 1 minute. Yeah. Now just open the file. Hello Varsha, welcome to study with Varsha. You can see the content, but do Ctrl C. I will show you another way. Create with the help of touch command, you use ch touch file2. Okay, you have created a file. Now file1, file2. If we want to go inside file2, that is I feel very easy. With the help of vi command, file2, open it file, and you can write whatever you want. So to write anything, just press I. That will work as an insert in button. And now just write hello everyone, enter. Now you can write welcome to study with Varsha. Okay, anything. Now you have to press escape button, colon, W, Q, exclamatory marks, enter. It's saved. And now if you want to check the files, just write cat file2. You can see each and everything with a clear detail. So that is very easy way. Now if we want to remove the file, what is the command? Rm, for example, file1. If we'll do, it will delete the file. Now you can see only one file. First one have been deleted. But if we want to delete a file without asking password, then rm-rf file2, delete. Now everything got deleted. Okay, rm-rf means remove with forcefully. Now create multiple file. How can we create? Touch file1, file2, file3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 file has been created. Now if we want to rename the file name, see, first one is file1. Now I want to give Varsha file. Then how can I give? So I will give with the name mb file1, that is old file name, and Varsha file. I want to change with Varsha file. I will give and enter. Now just ls. So the file1 was there, that get changed to Varsha's file. So with the help of mb command, we can rename the file also. Okay, and if we want to short file name, like, so it will show according to the like A, B, C, D. So with the what file, that will show short file name, short Varsha. Okay, so that is done. Now if we want to copy anything, so we will use cp command. Okay, so it is used to copy a file and directory. So for example, cp file1, and where we have to copy, one step back. So just write dot dot. Okay, first let me check any file is there. Yeah, So cp file 2, sorry, file 1 was not there, dot dot. So this file 2 is copied in one step back. So it, if we have done copy not move, so it will be there, it will be present here also, file 2. And if we will go one step back and just ls, so file 2 came here also. 1 minute guys. Let me put my laptop on charge. Okay, so actually for gaming laptop this is also a problem, battery will dead within 2 hours, but as a YouTuber we need editing laptops, so processors and everything we need high. Okay, no problem. Let's start again. So with the help of command cp file name and dot dot one step back we have copied. According to that we can give here the path and we can copy whatever the path we want to copy. Okay, now if we want to move, cut or paste the file, how can we will do? So again go back to the previous version, now we here only. So inside directory 1 this many file is there. Now I want to completely move the file 3 one step back. I don't want to see the file 3 here, just I want to see one step back. Then the command, same command, but instead of cp we will use mb. Now list again here. Here you will not see file 3, but go one step back and you will see ls, file 3 is here. So in this way we can move the file also. Okay, now let's move to the like in deleting many command is there, rm hyphen r, so it will delete directory or folder. rm hyphen rd, for example dir1, so it will delete the directory. dir1 is not there. If you want to delete rm hyphen rf, so directory without asking confirmation, then you can just write dir2, it got deleted. If you will keep rm hyphen rf star, so everything will got deleted. If we'll keep rm hyphen f star dot mp3, so mp3 will delete. So likewise you can delete the things. And that's it for today. Hundreds of command has been completed. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day and please do practice of all of this command. And if you are getting any doubt, please comment in the comment box, or you can connect me with the Telegram channel, LinkedIn. So thanks again.